Presenting my project titled ParkShare Community Parking and Traffic Routing System. This project is designed to solve the urban parking problems by connecting the drivers with the nearby private parking providers. In many cities, drivers waste a lot of time in searching of parking, which causes traffic congestion. My project provides a solution by allowing homeowners or hosts to list their available parking space and drivers can reach, search, and book these spaces easily. In this project, I developed by using the Python and with Flask for backend and HTML Bootstrap for frontend, SQLite for database. So let's see the this is the template folder which contain all HTML files base.html, dashboard.html, home.html and host.html. In host.html, it contains location, rate, slots, app.py, which is a backend. I'm using Flask here. So let's see the output first. New terminal. Let's take a new terminal and Python space app.py. Or here we got a link. We follow the link. Here the interface was opened search parking area. So let's see. It is a home page. Let's see host page. The host page contains all the parking space details like location, rate, slots. The house owners or the host can register here by placing their location, rate per hour, parking parking rate per hour, and slots, number of slots. By pressing add, it is added to the our system. So if the field is not filled, it shows please fill out this field. Let's see an example. KNR Mall as my location and rate per hour 100 rupees per hour. See number of slots 10. So here. So I'm seeing searching here KNR Mall search. Here we see KNR Mall. I already created some, so it's showing like this. So okay, let's add another also. Host page. Any field. Let's keep number of slots 11. Okay. Search our location name. Search. And here we see our location with number of slots and per hour charge. If we add book, it will be booked. Pay 200. We will press back. After go to the dashboard. Here we can see number of bookings and total earnings here in the dashboard page. So let's check again the code. Also used SQL for this. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.